Alright, welcome back to Sloop's Garage. Don't mind my neighbor, he's ripping some stuff up with a chainsaw over there. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and clean the engine bay on the Corolla, get it cleaned up so I can change the spark plugs, change the transmission filter, as well as do a drain and refill on the trans. I just want to clean it up before I start working, that way I don't drop stuff down in the motor and make it look a lot better. So I'm going to spray it down with some purple power degreaser. We'll let it soak in, and then I'll get the pressure washer out and we'll go ahead and pressure wash it off, and we'll see how it turns out. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm going ahead and pull the engine cover off. That way I can spray all this nasty stuff with the purple power. But it's on there. As you can see, this stuff should just wipe right off. But we're going to let it soak in a little bit. I don't want it to dry completely, but we're going to let it soak in. That way we can let it do its work, come back and hit it with the pressure washer. So I'll go ahead and set you guys up on time lapse, pressure wash it, and we'll come back and see how it turns out. Alright guys, we're done pressure washing. It's the engine cover. It's looking a lot better. Now this isn't perfect. I'm not trying to go for like a perfect immaculate detail on this or anything, but as you can see, everything's a lot cleaner under here. Something I'm not worried about getting in here and working on and having stuff fall in my eyes or getting my hands unnecessarily dirty, which I don't mind getting my hands dirty. I just don't want to pull the dipstick and get, grease all over my hands when I'm at the gas station or something. So, but that's it. I'll go ahead and let it dry out. I'll let this engine cover dry out before I put it back in. But that's it. Engine bay is detailed. So thanks guys for tuning in. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.